Hey everybody, this is Chris with Surf Financial Brokers once again. And today I just wanted to cover what I like to say are four things people should know about insurance. And I'm aware that not everybody, knows everything about insurance. And that's what we're here for, is just to kind of help you out a little bit and give you some basic knowledge. And so you can do what's best for yourself and your family, of course. So, the first thing I'd like to cover is just the fact that life insurance needs change as your life changes. So, of course, a young couple, they may not, they may need different insurance, like term life insurance. Their working years, it's affordable. But as they get older, their kids move out of the house, the mortgage gets paid off, their needs change, and the type of life insurance they need will change with that. So it's just something to be aware of. You don't just buy one policy and just stick with it for the rest of your life. Something to look at, and if you ever have questions about, let us know. The second thing is that disability insurance, in our estimation, is just as important as life insurance. I always say that the holy trinity of insurance is your life insurance, your health insurance, and your disability insurance. Your ability to work is your greatest asset. And if you can't work, you can't pay the bills, which pay for your other assets, like your car and your home and things like that. If you're out of work, you're sick or hurt, you can't work, you're going to need some income. And that's why disability insurance, whether you get it through a group plan at work or individually, if you're a business owner or in sales or a 1099 employee, anything like that, it's always important to look into a disability policy. We have plenty of companies that offer them, and they're underwritten a little differently because they also include your income, because that's, of course, they're replacing income. Very important to have, and I highly recommend you look into it. Number three is that being chronically ill can be a very expensive proposition, and it's very important for you to look into a long-term care policy or a life insurance policy that offers long-term care or living benefits, and even a short-term home health care policy, which we offer, because a lot of people don't want to be in a facility, and it can cost even more to stay at home. We have policies to help offset that cost. So that's our third thing there. And then my number four thing, and this is just a personal opinion, but please don't pay attention to those so-called financial gurus that you see on TV. They give a lot of generic advice. They don't understand, or they don't want to understand, that everybody is different. My financial game plan is going to be different than everybody else's, because I've got a different situation than everybody else's. And they're like snowflakes, everybody's different. So that's why you want to, sit down with somebody who can help you out as an individual and help you work within your budget, ask you some personal questions, things like, how much debt do you have, what's your income, and how many kids do you have, and all those kinds of questions are important, because when you see somebody on TV and they just say, oh, go out and do this, or buy term and invest the difference, it's really not a good plan, and your plan may not work the same as somebody else's. And so we recommend that you just kind of take what they say with a grain of salt. And if you have any questions about any of this, leave us a comment, or look us up on the web, surffinancialbrokers.com. And you can even book a short phone appointment with us if you'd like. So if you need anything, look us up, and have a good day.